In this video, I'm going to show you how your users can transfer money from their wallets into their crypto wallets. So what we're going to do is navigate over to our Wallets app over here on the left-hand side, and then we're going to click Setup. And now what we're going to do is enable our blockchain networks. So we're going to select which ones we would like to use. So let's say that I want to use Ethereum. I can then select which of the cryptocurrencies I would like to enable. So let's say I just want USDC and USDT, and then I can go ahead and select the blockchain network. And so again, I can select all of them. So I can go ahead and select both Ethereum and Tron, and I can select all of the different cryptocurrencies. Let's just stick with Ethereum for now, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now there is one more thing that I need to do in order for my users to be able to access their crypto wallets in the system or add those wallets to their system. What I'm going to do is, because I am in the setup already, I'm going to come here to my system settings. I'm going to click on localization. And then I'm going to come here to my user currencies, and I could go ahead and enable all of them, but I actually just want to enable those cryptocurrencies. So my USDC and my USDT, and I'm going to save those changes. So now I can navigate over to Betty's area, and you'll see that I now have this option to add an account. So if I add that account, I want to select which currency it is. So let's say that it's USDC. And no, this isn't a commission account, and I'm going to hit submit. And now you'll see that Betty has got that crypto wallet, and this means that she can receive money in cryptocurrency within the system. Now we could click in here and we could grab this account number and transfer money into this crypto wallet. But what we can also do is transfer money into an existing crypto wallet. So if I come here to my US dollar account and I say transfer, and let's say I just want to transfer $25 into a crypto wallet, I would select a new recipient and I would select the crypto option over here. I would then select the currency, so whether I want USDC or USDT, whatever is enabled. I would then give this a friendly name. So this is something I can see. So this is going to be my crypto wallet. And then you would add your wallet address. So this is your Ethereum wallet address in this example, and you would grab that and you would put that in here. I'm just going to put in that account number that I had, and then I'm going to say that I understand, and I'm going to hit save. Now, obviously, I'm getting this error here. It's an invalid wallet address. That wallet doesn't exist. If I put in any sort of gibberish here, that wallet is not going to have anything paid into it because it doesn't exist. So you are going to want to make sure that you do have an existing wallet, and you can go and click on this link to create one if you do not have one. So you would go ahead and do that. You would hit I understand, and then you would hit save. The same thing would happen. You would be asked to review the account information and provide a description, and then you would be able to transfer that money. But in this case, I'm not able to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit cancel. But that is how your users can not only be paid out in cryptocurrencies and receive crypto in their wallets, and have a little crypto wallet there within the system, they can also transfer that money into an existing crypto wallet. In the next video, I'm going to show you how users can actually use the money in their wallets to pay for products in your system. I'll see you there.